And at the top of this hour, we're getting some breaking news amid Donald Trump's tariff threat. Indian markets open on a high. Sensex gains 333.19 points in early trade, whereas Nifty moved up 92.85 points. So that's the breaking news that's coming in as far as the Indian stock market is concerned, which was seeing a bloodbath every day. But today there is some positive news. The Sensex gained 333.19 points in early trade, whereas the Nifty moved up 92.85 points. So this comes amid Donald Trump's tariff threat. He has said that reciprocal tariffs will come into force from April 2nd this year. But amid all of that, Indian markets have opened on a high note. Sensex has gained 333.19 points in early trade, and if we talk about Nifty has moved up 92.85 points. So amid Donald Trump's reciprocal tariff threat, where he has said that US will impose reciprocal tariffs, which are set to come into effect from April 2nd. He reiterated this claim even today in his address. But amid all of this, Indian stock market has been impacted by this, and it has opened on a high note. The Sensex has gained 333.19 points in early trade, and the Nifty has also moved up by 92.85 points. So the Indian stock market was witnessing bloodbath almost every day, but today is quite different. There is some positive news coming to the fore from the Indian stock market, which has opened on a high note today. The Sensex has gone up by 333.19 points in early trade, and the Nifty has gone up by 92.85 points. So amid United States reciprocal tariff threat and Donald Trump saying that reciprocal tariffs will be imposed, and this is set to come into effect from April 2nd, Indian markets have opened on a high note today. For more details, we're now being joined by my colleague Varun. Varun, Sensex is up by 333 points, and Nifty has also gone up by 92.85 points. What are the reasons behind this rise?
Definitely, we are seeing a bounce back in Indian markets today, because if you look in the past 10 days, we have seen a continuous decline in Indian markets because of some of the other bad news. But today, if you look, there is a bounce back in Indian markets. The number one reason, if you look at it, is because there was a heavy sell-off in last few days. So that's the reason we are seeing a technical bounce back in today's trade. Other than this, today we have not seen any bad news coming from any of the world indices. If you look around the world indices, look at the Asian markets. They were in green. Even in the US markets, if you look overnight Qs, they were not that bad. And that's the reason we are seeing a good pullback in today's trade in Indian market. If you look at Nifty, we are seeing a bounce back of around 150 points. In Sensex, we are seeing a rally of around 450 points. More than that, it's the broader market that is rejoicing. And it's the mid-cap and small-cap market, because in the mid-cap stocks, if you look in the mid-cap index, there is a rally of more than 700 points. And in the small-cap index, there's a rally of more than 260 points. So it is a broad-based rally in today's market. One more perspective which is good for India is the declining oil prices. If you look at Brent crude, the prices have declined to around $71, and that is actually seen as a very good positive for Indian economy and many of the Indian companies. And that's the reason we have seen many of the positive points, positive triggers coming up this morning, and hence we are seeing a pullback in Indian markets. After a 10 days decline in Indian markets, finally we are seeing some rejoice. So it's a technical bounce back, and also no bad news is a good news for Indian markets.
Right, Varun, thank you so much for all those details and for that context. So after 10 days of bloodbath, we're now seeing something positive happening in the Indian stock market. Well, with that, we're now shifting